Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add sections to your Shopify store. Sections allow you to customize your pages with different content blocks, enhancing your store's design and functionality. So, let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. To do so, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. And then enter your email and password to access your dashboard. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Next, go to the online store section. In the left hand sidebar, click on online store, then select themes. Find your active theme and click the customize button. Now you're ready to add a new section. In the theme editor, you'll see the left sidebar where you can manage different sections. Click on add section. To explore the available options, you'll see various sections like image with a text, featured collection, and more. Select the type of section you want to add, then click add. After adding the section, customize it to fit your needs. Click on the newly added section in the left sidebar to open the customization options, or you will be directed automatically to it. You can add images, text, button, and adjust the layout as needed. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added your section to your Shopify store. This allows you to enhance your website's design and showcase products or content effectively. If you liked this video and found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have furthermore questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.